Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ezinne here. If you're new, welcome. In today's video, I am going to be coloring my hair using this temporary color wax, and this is from Genie. I tried the purple one about 10 or 11 months ago, and turned out great. But then I washed it off almost immediately. This time around, I want to really, keep it in my hair to see how long temporary color waxes last in natural. So a bit of an experiment and something fun. So first off, my hair is really dirty. But I'm not going to include the full wash process in this video because that's not what this video is for. So I'm just going to shampoo and condition it real quick and come back to focus on the crux of today's video. So see. So I've washed and deep conditioned my hair. So I'm just going to go on and moisturize before I start to color. There's some coconut oil, just the right amount of it, depending on the volume of your hair. A bit more. Also going to take some Ecostyler gel to just lock the moisture in. So over time, I've come to realize that this is the only Ecostyler variant that my hair absolutely loves. This is completely detangled, and let me just keep it like this for a minute while I gather the rest areas together so that you're not confused. I don't know why I'm getting this feeling that the lights are going to go out soon. So let me just quickly show you how I'm applying this before that happens. And I'm going to take a portion of it, not too tiny, just large enough. I don't want it tiny. Then I'll take the hair color. Pick some of it so it looks like. Rub it together. I'm avoiding my roots because I want my roots to remain black. I want it to have that ombre effect, so yeah, this should do. Now I'm going to detangle using my detangling brush. make sure that your hair is smooth and free of tangles until you get to the very end. That is so important. So I'm just finishing this in a twist and so I'll repeat this all over. Okay guys, so I have observed that this color isn't red like the way it's red on my palm. It's not the same way it is red on my hair. And I think it's because my hair is really dark and it's showing up as burgundy, but I guess we can work with that. So let me just go finish up the rest of my hair. So you guys already know the drill. So it's take one section, apply coconut oil. I am using coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Ecostyler, color, braid. That's it. I'll be right back. I'm done coloring now. So I'll just let this air dry completely. I'm hungry. I need to go and fix dinner and I'll be back. It's about 48 hours since I colored my hair, so I'm going to start taking it down now because it's all dry and yeah, I think we're ready for final reveal. So this is how your braids easily separate when you don't borrow hair while braiding. So not sure how this looks, so I'll just check. Not bad. So I've taken down a whole section and this is how the color looks and I like it. Yo, my fingertips are so red right now. I don't like this. I don't like it. Fuck the X transferring. Which is surprising because the purple one didn't do that. So I'm not sure why this one is transferring like this. Look. I don't know if you guys can notice that the intensity of the color is more in this area compared to this area. And I think it's because I actually started from the front and then graduated all the way to the back, and I was trying to make sure that I don't run out on the color. So I guess for next time, if I'm going to do this next time, I'll start from the back and then walk all the way up so I don't start managing color from the beginning. So yeah, there's that. And then my only worry right now is color transfer. Like, it has 48 hours to dry, even more than 48 hours. So I don't know why this is happening. Or I'm guessing it's because it's red. Maybe, I don't know, it could be because of the color shade or because of the fact that I applied gel to my hair before applying color. I don't know which it is, but I'll just go on and separate this a bit more. So remember to separate only where your hair naturally wants to separate and leave it at that. So don't overdo it, else you lose all the definition. So guys, this is the final result of how the hair looks. I'll just turn around so you can see what the back area looks like. So I'll do daily check-ins to see for how long the color holds up and share that with you. Right guys, so that would be all for this video. Yeah, so I don't know if I'll be doing temporary colors anytime soon, but you guys just let me know if you have any suggestions, anything you would like me to try. Please leave it in the comments. Okay, so bye guys, I'll see you in the next one.